everyone, it's Marian. Today I have another product from tauci. Last year they sent me their ceramic plant pots to review, which I really loved. And now they sent me their boho style cement small plant pots with drainage hole and saucer. So I'm really excited, and this time it comes in really great packaging, and I'm a sucker for great packaging. I believe, as far as I can remember, they didn't have this last year, so this is why I'm including an unboxing for this video review. And as you can see, it looks so pretty. It says life's getting better, never stop growing. And here it says, let's root for each other and watch each other grow. And on the side is their branding, which is tauci Garden. And let's open it up. I'm really excited. And I love their packaging because it's something that you could either recycle or upcycle. And I'm definitely going to be upcycling this because it is a beautiful box. So I'll open it. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. It has another design. It says cozy and carefree. It's really cute. Okay, take away. And it is very carefully packaged, so I like that. Ooh, okay. So the first two pots. Alright, this is the first one. It's a really nice boho design. It got drainage hole, and it's about like 3.5 inches. This is actually perfect because I just broke the pots of one of my hoyas. You will see later. So this is going to be a great fit for it. And here is the other one, kind of like similar design but a little bit different. And it comes with this netting that you could put at the bottom so that it kind of prevents any rocks or soil going through the drainage hole when you are watering it. So I like that about that too. They had this also in the ceramic plant pots that they sent me last time. So I really liked it about that. Underneath here are the saucers. This is one of them. So each one of it comes with it. And they're going to look like that. So that is really cute. I really like that. Alright. Here's the third one. I really like this one because this one kind of like have the herringbone style design. It also comes with a saucer and a drainage mat. And finally the last one, I think this one has the most intricate design, and again comes with a saucer and the netting. So yeah, that's the set of the tauci succulent pots, 3.5-inch boho style cement small plant pots with drainage hole and saucer. So this is great for your small plants, your hoyas, your succulents, and I can't wait to use it on my plants, which I'm about to show you. So this is the first one that I'm repotting. As mentioned earlier, I broke the pot, so I really need to repot it. This is my string of hearts Silver Glory, my only string of hearts plant that I have left. And I need to put this in a really nice pot so that I can take care of it well. And here I'm placing the netting and putting some lava rocks at the bottom to act as better drainage for this string of hearts Silver Glory. And this one is pretty easy. I'm basically just taking out the pot, removing some of the smart pellets that I use for drainage as well, and I'm just basically inserting this plant into the succulent pot. Very easy, and just took what, like less than a minute to do so. And that is my Silver Glory string of hearts repotted in the very first pot. Next is my Hoya fishtail. It has grown so much from propagating it from a 2-leaf cutting, and nothing wrong with the pot, but I just wanted it all to match. So I am placing it in this one that has the herringbone pattern, so kind of like matches the Hoya fishtail pattern as well. And this one, kind of like with the string of heart Silver Glory, I'm adding lava rocks at the bottom. And this is also very quick repot. I'm just taking it out of its existing pot, and look at that amazing root system. And I'm just plopping it inside of the tauci planter, and very easy, very quick for the Hoya fishtail as well. And here are the two that I potted side by side so far. And then the next two is going to be a little bit different because those two will involve actual repotting. So the first is my Hoya curtisii that I have in this plastic pot. I'm going to put it in this one. And with this one, I did take out a lot of the moss that it has and maybe some of the soil it also originally had, and want to put fresh soil that I just mixed. And by now you know the drill, put lava rocks at the bottom first. But for the soil, this is actually a potting mix that I created myself. I'm pretty sure I already put out a short of it already. So if you want to check out how I created this potting mix, go check out my shorts. And with this one, I'm doing the trick of like putting the soil first, making a hole in the middle, and then I'm plopping the Hoya curtisii in. So very quick and easy too. With this one, just takes a little bit more work. Not work really, but just, adding more soil to the pot instead of just transferring the Hoya curtisii altogether. And this one goes the same for this dragon fruit that I grew actually from seed from the fruit that I had in Hawaii. And with this one, I'm putting the dragon fruit in and then pouring soil around it. I couldn't really try the trick that I did for the first one because this one's a little bit loose and not as compact as the Hoya curtisii, but it worked out pretty well too. It's also very quick and easy. All of this is in real time. And those are my plants in the tauci boho succulent pots. If you're interested in getting them for your baby plants as well, go check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, do subscribe. I come up with videos every week. And if you haven't yet, go check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you, I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other, and have a plentiful day. Bye.